Hey guys, coming back to you with an update on the OpenGlass Van Mods sliding door stopper. This is our updated version. I think this is Gen 3 actually. It's a sliding door stopper for your Mercedes Sprinter van and allows you to just be able to open the door just halfway without having to slide it all the way open. This one is just a bit thinner. This is made out of heat treated aluminum, bit thinner design, so it'll roll over a little bit easier. And then it's got an improved VHB 3M tape to make the adhesion much stronger than the previous versions. So Bella and Maisie are gonna watch me on this install. Look at this beautiful little puppy we just got. They're gonna kind of monitor this installation, make sure I get it right. And also on the back of the package, you can scan a QR code and see another installation video, but just want to share with you how I'm putting it together. So my first step is to position the door to exactly where I want it to stop with the stopper, and that's right in alignment with my cabinet. And then coming back to the rear here, I'm gonna take a Sharpie and just put a little mark there to mark the spot of where I want to have it installed. All right, so let's get this open. All right, so there's your door stopper. Comes with some alcohol pads, and then on the back is the special adhesive tape to keep this guy in place. All right, so the most important part here is getting this area nice and clean with the supplied alcohol wipes. I'm doing this and hoping not gonna mess up my mark. If so, I'll just remark it. I think she's pretty darn clean there. All right, so I'm in Utah and it is currently 38 degrees out here. So I'm gonna do another step and heat this area up, get it nice and warm so that we get a good adhesion. All right, so now we just line it up with the mark and we're gonna put it in place. I'm gonna put the camera down here for a second so I can use both hands, because I'm gonna wanna apply it and put some force on it for about 10 seconds to really get it to adhere strongly. All right, so I gave it a good press for about 10 seconds. She's not going anywhere. Let's see if I can take that little mark off. There we go. All right, let's give this thing a try. Open the door, slide it back. And you can hear it just go right up on that ramp and stay in place. Right where it's supposed to. Close the door, just like normal. Slide it all the way open. Just pop it over that ramp, piece of cake. And then closing the door. Works like a champ. So I'll leave a link in the description on where you can pick this up off of Amazon. It's currently priced at just under 30 bucks. So great little mod for your van. Hope you like this video. And Bella and Maisie May, they weren't excited about it. I think I put them to sleep, but hopefully I didn't put you to sleep. All right, guys, take care. Hope to see you out on the trail sometime soon.